In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write on a picture in Google Docs. This can be incredibly useful for creating dynamic presentations, engaging reports, and more visually appealing documents. Let's get started step by step in a way that's easy to follow and implement. First off, we need to have a picture that we want to write on, so the initial step is to insert an image into our Google Docs document. To do this, we'll begin by navigating to the top menu. Look for the Insert option, which holds the key to adding a wide range of elements, including our image. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu, choose Drawing. This will open a new submenu. From here, select New. Doing this brings up a blank canvas, an area where we can manipulate our graphic elements freely. Now look for the image icon, which allows us to upload a picture. Google Docs offers several options for sourcing your images. You can upload from your computer, capture one using your webcam, or source it from a URL, Google Drive, or directly from Google Images. For this demonstration, I'm going to use an image from my computer, which is a straightforward process. Click on Browse, which will prompt a dialog box where you can locate your image file. Once you've found the desired image, click Open. Depending on your internet connection speed, uploading might take a little moment, so just be patient as your image appears on the drawing board. Once you have your picture in place, it's time to move on to adding text. Writing directly on a picture involves using a text box, an option readily available on our drawing board. Take a moment to look around and find the text box tool. Clicking on it allows you to draw a rectangle anywhere on your image, which serves as your writing area. In this box, you can type whatever text you need, whether it's a title, a label, or a note. Keep in mind that aesthetics matter. Consider altering the color of your text so that it stands out against your image background. Opt for contrast that will ensure readability. For instance, light text on a dark background or vice versa often works well. You also have the flexibility to change the font style and size, helping tailor the appearance according to your document's needs. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and can read the text comfortably, click Save and Close. Watch as your newly created drawing, complete with text on the picture, appears magically within your Google Doc. And there you have it. That's how to write on a picture using Google Docs. This technique can add a professional touch to your documents and make them more engaging, whether for work, school, or personal projects.